Hello everyone, welcome to the SketchUp Orca Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make with SketchUp 2026 new model in the 3D modeling process. So let's get to it and jump into it. First of all, I'm going to start my job with the window option here. So I'm going to click on the window, go to the model info and set my units from meter to centimeter. For this example, I want to create a 3D model of the table and chairs. So I'm going to use centimeter for accurate reason. I'm going to reduce the precision to the 0.00 and I'm going to close it in here. I press Ctrl S to save my file and I'm going to delete this character in here. Click on the window, model info, statics and purge unused. This item helps you to start your modeling without any type of extra detail or materials which are unused in your project. So I'm going to click on the purge selection, fix problems and OK. So let's get to the modeling. If you are totally beginner, this is the large toolbox that you can use in SketchUp, very simple and easy. So I'm going to hold and drag it and put it to the left side of my screen. If you go to the window, model info, you can see some options about the animation, classification, components, and some other things like that. But right now, we don't have any work with it. So I'm going to start my job with the rectangle in here. So I'm going to draw a very simple rectangle with some dimension about 66, 66 centimeter. And I'm going to press enter. I'm going to use the push or pull option for extruding this rectangle to the face. So I'm going to extrude it about 2.6 centimeter and I'm going to double click it and convert it to the group. So I'm going to click on the make group in here, and also I want to create some type of leg for this table. So I'm going to click on the rectangle another time and draw my rectangle like this with some dimension about 7 to 7. I'm going to click on the push or pull, push it to the upside about some number like 66 centimeter, and I'm going to click on it, make a group again, click on the move option, and now I'm going to hold this endpoint and move it to this place. I'm going to move it to this part. As you can see, it's 59 centimeters, so some number about 29.5 is the middle point for us. I'm going to divide it in my mind, very simple and easy. Again, 29.5. I'm going to select all of them, click on it, make another group. And also, if you want to mirror it on the Z axis point, you need to select it. And in SketchUp 2026, you have this option which name is flip. So I'm going to click on the flip and flip on the Z axis. Very simple and easy. For this reason, I'm going to click on it again, double click again, and now I can edit this component or group in here. So I'm going to deselect this face, select this face, click on the push or pull, push it to the upside about 16 centimeter. Now I'm going to click on the offset again and make new details for it, 800. Click on the push or pull option, control, push it to the downside, 2 centimeter. Again, I'm going to click on the offset tool, offset it to the outside, some number about 14 centimeter. I'm going to click on the push or pull, press Ctrl and push it like this, very simple, about 2 centimeter. Okay, something like this will be generated for us, and now we can use it as the table. If you want to add more details on this table face, you can click on it. Click on this group in here, click on the push or pull, push it to the downside about 1 centimeter. And now I want to add some more details on my project. So for this reason, I'm going to bevel this face to the upside. For this reason, I need one offset. So I'm going to add my offset about 2 centimeter and another offset about 1 centimeter. I'm going to select this face in here, click on the move option. And when I move it, you can see it's not move on the blue direction, on the Z axis point. So for this reason, I'm going to click on the move, press Alt on my keyboard, and now I can select this midpoint and push it to the upside. The number is matter, so take care of it. I'm going to add 1 centimeter for it and press enter, or 0.4 for the more important detail like this. I'm going to press escape. Everything is over for me. Now time for modeling chairs. So I'm going to click on the rectangle, draw some rectangles with some dimensions about 2,2 centimeter. Click on it, make a component, create it, click on the move option, take some copies in different distance. For example, 32 is too much, 20, something like that. Select it, click on the move, copy, 20 again. And now if I select one of them, because one of them is a component, so all of them will be changed at the same time, and I think it can be really increase your modeling speed in different type of 3D modelings. So I'm going to click on the rectangle another time, draw my rectangle, click on the push or pull, push it like this, about 1.4 from the different sides, like the 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. Click on it, make a group again. And now I'm going to click on the rectangle another time and draw my rectangle like this. For example, 1.6 to the 24. Now I'm going to extrude it like that. Very simple, about 34. Okay, everything is done. I'm going to click on it, make a group, edit group, select this line, and I'm going to make some very light slope for it, 0.6 or 0.7. Okay, something like that, 0.7, and now it's fine. So I'm going to select all of it with these legs in here and make a group again. Click on the move option, hold this endpoint and use it for this place, and also I'm gonna click on this endpoint and move it to this part. It's 27, so 13.5 is the middle point. Now time for taking copies. For this reason, I want to use rotational copy. So I'm going to click on the rotate option under the move icon in the SketchUp. And in here, I like to find the center point, very simple and easy. If I hold my cursor and move it like that, it will be detected for me. Before I use my left click for doing any type of rotation, I'm going to press Ctrl like this to this endpoint and this endpoint. All right, we take our copy, and now we need to add how many times we need to repeat this copy. I think 2x is like this and 3x is like that. So I'm going to select all of it, make a group, click on the move option, and move it to the origin point. And this is the final thing that we have in here. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You can download this training file below this video. Thanks for your time, thanks for your valuable watching, and goodbye.